So that will be a quick unboxing with Linda Farrow optical frames. So this is how it comes packed, and I've ordered them from the Linda Farrow website. So let's open the box. So it's very nice box. Obviously that's Linda Farrow here, and you get an envelope with all receipts. It's looks very nice. Yeah, that's just envelope. And let's see, we have a very nice box. Here we have sweat case. It looks very dusty on the video, but yeah, it just like suede, you know, just catch everything, but it doesn't look as bad in real life. Okay, it's really nice soft fabric. There is some kind of leaflet here. Cleaning maintenance instructions, cleaning cloth, and here we have glasses inside. So this model is called FLETCHER. And this is like 3-color frame, so it doesn't have blue tone. Sorry, that's my cat. My cat just got mental and scratch his scratch pot. So yeah, the color is brown, black and blue. I hope that you can just see the color very well on the white background. Okay. It's called Linda Farrow. Handmade in Japan. I didn't see it before. And let's have other side. Just as you can see, it's FLETCHER here. Yeah, that's the name. And it's 145. I don't know how you can just see the information here. Yeah. Okay. And I believe that this piece, the noses are gold plated. And also they're engraved with the Linda Farrow name. Okay. So yeah, that's how the frames looks like. So yeah, the frames are very nice. Wait, it's great. It costs around £400. I think it's £3.95 on the website. Depends on the color. because there's like 4 or 5 different shades of these frames, and depends on the color of the frame there's a different price. But I had a 10% discount code. I've paid $350. So yeah, which is so expensive because you still have to buy lenses for the frames. So I would recommend, I think, go to optician who can just order the frames for you, and maybe that will go slightly cheaper. But yeah, this is how they looks like. Everywhere there's like Linda Farrow name. Here, like so many places with her name. And you can just also check my Instagram. I will just leave the link in the description. Okay, I hope that you liked the video and this unboxing. You can just leave the comment or just give the thumbs up for the next unboxing. Thank you very much. Bye!